Ever wondered what secrets lie within the heart of Poland's capital, Warsaw? Join us as we journey through time and space, unveiling the top 10 attractions that make this city a gem in the crown of Europe. Starting at number 10, we have the Warsaw Uprising Museum. This isn't your typical museum. It's a stirring tribute to the brave souls who resisted Nazi occupation during World War II, offering a poignant journey through the city's turbulent past. Next, at number 9, stand in awe at the Royal Castle. Once the official residence of Polish monarchs, its regal splendor and significant art collections are a testament to the nation's rich history. For the 8th spot, we land on Wilanów Palace. This stunning example of Polish Baroque architecture will transport you to a bygone era of grandeur and elegance. At number 7, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature at Łazienki Park. This verdant oasis in the city centre offers a tranquil retreat from the bustling city life. Number 6 takes us to the Warsaw Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through its charming cobblestone streets and marvel at the beautifully restored buildings that whisper tales of centuries past. Our number 5 attraction is the Polin Museum of the History of Polish Jews. This museum chronicles the 1,000-year history of the Jewish community in Poland, offering a compelling narrative of resilience and survival. At number 4, the Palace of Culture and Science beckons. This imposing structure, a gift from the Soviet Union, stands as the city's tallest building and a symbol of the country's post-war reconstruction. The 3rd spot takes us to the Copernicus Science Center. Here, science comes alive in a fun and interactive way that sparks curiosity and fosters learning. Our runner-up attraction is none other than the Warsaw National Stadium. This state-of-the-art sports and entertainment venue has hosted some of the world's most prestigious events, putting Warsaw on the global stage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Warsaw Rising 44 Monument. This striking statue pays homage to the resilient spirit of the city's inhabitants during the Warsaw Uprising, a testament to the indomitable will of the Polish people. So, from the stirring narratives of the Warsaw Uprising Museum, to the stunning architecture of Wilanów Palace, the tranquil beauty of Łazienki Park, to the vibrant history of the Warsaw Old Town, the compelling journey through the Polin Museum, to the towering Palace of Culture and Science, the fun exploration at the Copernicus Science Center, to the grandeur of the Warsaw National Stadium, and finally, the poignant tribute at the Warsaw Rising. 44 Monument. Warsaw proves to be a city that wears its history with grace, while standing proudly in the present. This is Warsaw, a city of resilience, beauty, and unyielding spirit.